Dalawa kaming pinag-uusapan kung anong para sa pamilya.
Sana'y makarating sila sa guys sa amin ganitong kahaba ng panahon na pinagsamahan. Mas higit pa, higit pa.
Sapat lang yan. Mahal ko siya noon, mahal na mahal, at sobrang mahal na mahal. Diba?
Maganda ba?
Oo naman.
Kung mag-describe mo siya sa in a one word, ano?
In one word. One word. Naman lang, maganda ko sa diwata at may lalim.
I was all on my own. I was glad to be alone.
Ito, Shopee na naman ba yan? Ay, hindi. Dali to. Wait.
Loving is easy. Everything's perfect. You don't take your life sa pagpunta.
Sana sa amin ba dito?
It used to be so hard to see. Your loving is easy. Everything's perfect. You don't take
And God, in His perfect timing, answered that prayer with you. We have faced distance, challenges, and moments of longing, but through it all, our love remains strong.
Ito na talaga. Ito na talaga. Wala nang atrasan, wala nang atrasan. Ito na lang. Magtiis ka
Grabe naman! Saan?
sa mga kapulitan ng lalaki. Magtiwala kayo sa isa't isa. Tapos, pagmamahalan nyo, laging kailangan. Yan ang importante kung pagmamahalan nyo.
Esther at Medicine, araw-araw ng inyong buhay, ang inyong modelo sa pag-ibig ay walang iba kundi ang ating Panginoon. Buhay mo ay alay, Dexter. Buhay mo ay handog, Nelson. Sa isa't isa at nawa mula sa kagandahang loob ng Panginoon ay matuto kayo.
I vow to be your best friend, your partner in every adventure, and your home in every storm. I will celebrate with you in joy, and stand beside you in trials, and choose you every single day.
totoo lang, ngayong araw, hindi ko mawari kung anong masasabi ko ngayon. Sa labi sa tuwa at gila.
Just I have for the past 9 years, and just I have as I will for all years to come. You are my answered prayer, my greatest blessing, and today I give you my forever. I love you.
Ikaw ang magiging lakas at ang aking piling. Malayo-layo pa ang at mahabang ating lalakbayin. Pero no more any flowering words. Sobra kitang mahal. Mahal at mas lalo pang mahal.
You'll always be one thing I can't lose.
Wow, that was truly a great love story.